desserts in the world, for me the cookie is the most overlooked, which is truly a shame because it is one of the best assets you can have in your back pocket. It's trustworthy, it's foolproof, it's very hard to mess up a cookie. And today I'm going to show you one of my classic recipes that I've already had in this channel, but again, it's in Spanish, and today we're making it in English with a twist. Okay, first of all, we are going to be putting our hair back because, let's get real, nobody cooks with their hair down. Well, at least.
Nobody normal.
Mama Dior, you want some cookies? You want milk chocolate, white chocolate, or yeah, just chocolate? Now let's start with our cookies. And this is a big recipe, folks, so get ready. We're gonna mix together 2 cups of butter, 2 cups brown sugar, and 2 cups white sugar. You heard me right. This is gonna make a whole lot of cookies for a whole lot of people. You realize you got too small of a bowl and you put it into a bigger one. Be smarter than me. Add some vanilla and then crack 4 eggs into a separate bowl, and we add them 1, 2 at a time. Mix well, and then 1, 2 more. Mix well again. Now we're gonna start adding our flour. Get ready, there's plenty of it coming. We're gonna mix in little by little 4 cups of flour. The beauty of this recipe, you don't need a stand mixer. Believe me, save yourself, do not use a mixer because it's gonna be too hard on the motor. You'll see, just wait. After adding our 4 cups of flour, we're gonna be adding 5 cups of oatmeal. I know, I continue to shock you. This is a very big recipe, but believe me, it's worth it. With your oatmeal, we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix her up, and then we're gonna start with the pièce de résistance, our chocolate. We need 1 cup dark chocolate, 1 cup white chocolate. Make whatever size you want, but the bigger the cookie, the better. That into a cup, and now we're gonna chop up our nuts. Now with the nuts, we can go a little bit finer, as big or as small as you like, whatever floats your boat. And remember,
walnuts are good for your brain.
Yeah, you're totally right. I am contemplating how I'm gonna mix all of this up, but when there's a will, there's a way. Now for something that adds an extra little twist, we're gonna add in 1 cup of dried cranberries. You heard me right, dried cranberries. It makes these cookies oh so scrumptious. We're gonna make them into delicious looking cookie balls, roll them up real pretty, and put them into the oven for about 15 minutes. Make sure your oven's not too hot, and don't put them cookies too low in your oven or else they will burn, and nobody likes a burnt cookie. Set them up all pretty on a platter, and we're done. Yowza! This is hot. Don't worry, it's not gonna crack my counter, it's porcelain. Okay, I'm not gonna taste these because, you know, I still wanna be able to taste food, other food after it. This is gonna burn my mouth too. Hades. Anyhow, I'm prepared. I got me a platter full of perfect, done. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you just look, just appreciate. We've got the hunk of chocolate. We can see the cranberries. You can see the texture of the oatmeal. It is perfection. Someone invites you to their house for any kind of occasion, you take these babies and they are going to love you. Okay, so my favorite part, they're perfect. They're not too sweet, but they're just sweet enough. So you get that little, I want more. I want more. Like my dad always says, it's more-ish. You need more. It's just perfect. The chocolate is melting in my mouth. It cooled down enough so I'm not burning the inside of my mouth. That's why I say cookies are the most underrated, unappreciated dessert, but they're fantastic. You put me in front of a plate of desserts, I always go to the cookie. They're umptious, they're scrumptious. Who doesn't want a hunk of chocolate in their mouth? Seriously, right? If you give me a chocolate cake or this cookie, I choose a cookie. Not prejudice, but this cookie is absolutely perfection. Try it out. The recipe is always not downstairs, but down below in the description. But downstairs actually does look pretty good. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share with others who may also appreciate the beauty of simple, humble, fantastic desserts. Thank you for coming by, and we'll see you next week. Bye.